Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to completely stop Google Gemini from saving your activity. When using Google Gemini, your interactions may be saved to enhance your responses and fully personalize your experience. However, not everyone is comfortable with their activity being stored. So if you prefer more privacy and control over your data, it's important to know how to manage and disable activity tracking. In this hands-on guide, you'll learn how to stop Google Gemini from saving your activity in just a few simple steps. That's it. Let's get started. So first you have to launch the Google Gemini app on your device, and then you have to hit the menu button located at the upper left corner of the screen. After that, you have to click on the profile at the bottom left corner in the sidebar, and then you have to choose the activity option in the menu. Then you have to head over to Keep Activity section and then click on the drop down menu and choose Turn Off option. If you want to disable the activity and also get rid of the entire saved data, choose Turn Off and Delete Activity. Then you have to follow the instructions, and that's about it. Taking control of your data in Google Gemini is a smart move if privacy matters to you. By turning off activity saving, you can use the AI with greater peace of mind while limiting what gets stored on your account. Therefore, make sure to review your settings regularly so your preferences stay exactly the way you want. And I'll catch you up in the next one.